Listen, Move, Think gets kids moving and thinking about math. Listen, Move, Think can help you begin discussions and conversations and thinking about the mathematics. Where Listen, Move, Think really shines is as a sponge activity. In this case, it's mental math. You have your math vocabulary. You're thinking about some concept or some word in math. It could be a triangle. It could be a right angle. It could be a line. It could be anything in your math vocabulary. Then they're using their creativity to express that idea non-verbally. You bring the kids together and you chat about what they were thinking about, and then that moves into your regularly planned lesson and or activity. The mathematics or the math standards in probably every state are divided into two parts: the process standards and the individual knowledge and skills, and those are the ones that are tested. The process standards are there to give children a reason for why we do math. That's the answer to the question, is why do you learn all these skills? It's to solve everyday problems and to find reasonable solutions via problem-solving models. These are two things that Listen, Move, Think can do very, very well, especially because all of the things you're going to manipulate, that the children are going to manipulate, come out of a child's mind. Every time you give a prompt, it is a constant. Think of something rectangular. Think of something round. That is a constant. So everything coming out of the child's mind, all of the children's minds, should somehow fit into that constant. Then all of the ideas that they come up with are variables. Easy peasy, those are variables. Think of something round: a balloon, a ball, a pizza. Those are all variables. Now, each of those variables, a ball, a balloon, a pizza, could then be a constant. If you had a pizza, how round would it be? How much would it weigh? How thick would it be? Those are the things you could talk about in math. Or you could talk about the circumference or the diameter or whatever you're working on in your vocabulary with your kids. The first constant was round. The second constant was pizza. A third constant might be, if you had a 20-pound pizza, how long would it take you to eat it? Just getting kids to think about everyday things in a math setting. You will find very short videos that give you an idea of how to use a child's idea to become a new constant and then come up with a new variable for math. That's all for now. Thanks for listening. Take care. Bye-bye.